Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Holden Colorado LSX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4421. This shape runs from the first month 2012 through to the 6th month 2016. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We've got left power door mirror, indicator type. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. It's got a left-hand side skirt supplied as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Has a factory-fitted sports bar supplied with all fittings. Left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper bar. Tailgate has 2 small dents, camera type above handle. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right hand rear door, no damage. Right front door, 1 small dent. Right power door mirror, indicator type, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, grey centre console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory MyLink touchscreen media player, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.